Let's go to the third question. Look at the diagram of the reactivity series. It shows some metals in order of reactivity. Here is the reactivity series from the most reactive to the least reactive one. Use the diagram to answer these questions. Which three metals react with cold water? Which one do you think gonna react with cold water? Of course, we're gonna choose from the top since they are the most reactive. The most reactive ones react with oxygen. Okay, so they react also with water and with dilute acids. So whenever you ask a question like this, you look for the most reactive ones that you have. So potassium, sodium, and calcium. Okay. Which gas is produced when metals react with acid? Of course, it is hydrogen gas. Don't forget this. And actually, I sent you a link for a YouTube video that shows how to test for hydrogen gas by using lighted splint. It produces like a squeaky pop. It's very important to watch the video. It is possible to predict if a displacement reaction will happen using the reactivity series. As I mentioned before, that we can use reactivity series to predict if any reaction happens or doesn't. So let's look at these pairs, aluminium and silver nitrate. Let's see, if aluminium is more reactive than silver, then it's gonna kick silver out of the reaction and reaction happens. Let's go to reactivity series above. So here is aluminium and here is silver. So according to the reactivity series, aluminium is more reactive than silver, so reaction will happen. So we tick it. Let's go to the next, calcium and zinc sulfate. We go back to the reactivity series, and here is calcium and here is zinc. Calcium is more reactive than zinc. It is at the top, so it's going to displace zinc. So reaction gonna happen. Let's go copper and sodium chloride. Let's see if copper is more reactive than sodium. Here is copper, and here is sodium. Here is copper and here is sodium. Copper cannot displace sodium since it is less reactive than it. So reaction doesn't happen. Lead and iron nitrate. Lead and iron nitrate. Here is lead. Go back again. Here is lead. And here is iron. Iron is above lead. So lead cannot displace iron, cannot displace it since it is less reactive than iron. So reaction doesn't happen. The last one, tin and magnesium chloride. Here is tin. And here is magnesium. Tin is less than magnesium in reactivity. It is less reactive than magnesium, so it cannot kick magnesium out of its solution. So reaction won't happen. So tick, tick, cross, cross, cross. Happens, doesn't. Thank you.